To give your mobile a new look, you should install New Launcher 2018 apps, Android apps. I just going to start install it. Click on the install button and installing is start. Let's see the reviews. It's a good launcher, very good launcher and very best app. Very good, and also this app is very useful. It's easy to use and attractive. I love this app and it is super stylish. Only gives one home screen with when description shows 3 prior to download. Too many ads also. Overall reviews is very good. So let's try what will happen. If you want to see it in details, you can click here. Try the New Launcher 2018 now. Download one of the best theme in 2018 and enjoy the free Launcher 2018 full version that will transform the way your phone or tablet looks. This is one of the new 2018 themes that is a full mobile theme changer, complete with wallpapers and home screen lock launcher. Try one of the top themes 2018. New Launcher 2018. Give your phone a new design with one of the 2018 best themes that also has mm, amazing new 2018 wallpapers. This is one of the most popular launchers for Android. The new Launcher 2018 gives you a new style with a new wallpaper 2018 and new icon theme, and so. If you want to read this, you can see and download it. Okay, just check download is completed or not. Yes, it is completed, so we'll try to open it. Just it's opening. New Launcher 2018 to provide cool features and a great experience. We collect and manage the apps installed on this device. Okay, I'll agree. Welcome to the world of professionalism. Make your phone faster, improve performance, or see your launcher in action. Go to the home screen. Go to the home screen or improve performance. If you want to get improved performance, let's see what will happen. Improve performance is okay, it's improving. Good. It's a add, close it, and checking themes. Click new launcher, click always, new launcher or always, just once. Create launcher and new launcher. Free launcher. Okay, just once. I need just once. Then what will happen? Okay, the icons also unable to set this launcher as default launcher. Okay, try again. Not now. Okay, no problem, no issue. It's new launcher needs location permission. Okay, whether you we don't store your location to. Okay, no. Okay, then okay, allow the new launcher device location and getting overlay out. Okay, you have to change the don't need we cancel it, cancel, no problem, no issue. Tap to here, uh, cancel it. Search button, the themes, downloads, Instagram, Chrome, YouTube, Google, Play Store, WhatsApp, Messenger, Boost, themes, wallpaper, settings. What is this? Themes. These are the themes you can choose any one of this. Okay, download it. Let's see how looks my phone. Themes, install it. No, I don't want to install it. Back it. I think that was an ad. Drag and drop. Okay, what is this? 2018. Okay, let's see this app. Download, install. Installing very fast. Wait, this app is best. The best. It's better. I like it. Comments are very good. So let's try this one also. Love the theme launcher. Apply theme, use as live wallpaper. Apply theme. Applying it. It's done. Okay. Let's see, is it changes? Okay, the theme is good. Very nice. No.